Hi, welcome back my budget tech fans. As promised in my last video, you probably noticed I did the video on the phone case for the Samsung Galaxy S23 Ultra. Here we go. Vizvera 5-piece for the Samsung Galaxy S23 Ultra camera lens protectors, 9H tempered glass camera covers with screen protector metal rings. This particular one is the rainbow one that I picked.
Oh, right.
They go right over the top of the lenses, protect them from getting scratched, damaged in any way. It's 25% off on Amazon.com, $8.20. You can't beat that price. That's ridiculous.
Oh, yeah.
They're compatible with the P-shaped phone cases. Okay, not the other ones where it's a different case all by itself. But if it's in the P shape, it'll work. Simple installation steps. You just clean the lens, align it. It's got like a template that goes over the top. You mash down, you pull them off, boom, boom, boom.
Okay, let's just move on.
100+ million products sold worldwide, 118 countries, 5 years of innovation and pioneering clear and protection. Vizvera metal individual lens ring protectors. HD transparent. You'll have no problem shooting photo, video. The video that I coming up later of the other products, you'll see that it's using this. I mean, this thing shoots 8K video. Why wouldn't I use it, right? Lots of different colors to suit anybody's needs. Make sure your case is the P shape like this. This one right here. And you'll be just fine. Hopefully this video helps save you some money. A lot of money. It's under $9. Can't beat that.
You're a pimp. What? God, no. No, I was just trying to help a friend.
Make sure and share it out with your friends. I'd appreciate that. Leave a comment down below. Do you guys have an S23 Ultra? Were you looking for something to protect the lenses? For this kind of money, it's good to have a little extra protection. And for under $9, you can't beat this.
That's right, Timmy.
Thanks so much for watching the video. We'll see you in the next one. Hi, thanks so much for watching the video. Hopefully it saved you a buck or two. Hey, for more great budget tech videos, make sure to subscribe to the channel if you're new, and click those boxes above if you want to see more good deals like this. I'll see you guys in the next video.